What up, it's your boy King Dow 225 coming at you with another reactionary video. And today, please, what they call male Karens? Hold up, truck driver gets upset with woman's BLM flag on her car. Really? Let's get to the video.
Y'all see him flashing his lights right now at me on my ass. Flashing his lights. Yeah.
Rocky's
Hey,
truck
sweetheart,
and trailer
all
repair.
lives matter. Put this fucking on YouTube.
Rocky's truck and trailer repair.
Yeah.
Hey, sweetheart, all lives matter. Put this fucking on YouTube.
That's
Don't
why
be
you tried
driving
cutting me
around
off?
Bakersfield
That's
with
why
that
you
shit
tried
on your
cutting me
car.
off?
If you don't
Pull over,
fucking
baby.
like it,
Let's go.
all lives
Pull
matter,
over.
bitch.
What's up?
All
Why are you so
lives.
mad? I like that company, man.
You happy with yourself?
Yeah, you want to cut somebody off in your company truck because I got a BLM flag? You're going to cut me off on Rosedale Highway, right?
Did I cut you off?
Yes, sir. And don't worry, I got it on video and I got your plates. Exactly, buddy.
Turn me in. I don't give a shit.
All right, I will watch.
My goodness. Bro, do you know how I'm from Louisiana? I am in my 40s. I have been watching people ride around with Confederate flags on their goddamn automobiles since I was in elementary school. And I have never cut nobody off. Man, you're American. You got constitutional right to express whatever you goddamn want to express, however I feel about it. How dare you see a woman alone and you a bitch ass dude. Even before all these Trump people with their flags and their bumper stickers that we gotta tolerate they shit too. Confederate flags, do you understand me? And a BLM matter flag sets your mayonnaise colored ass off. Crack ass cracker. How dare you? It's your boy King Dow 225 with another reactionary video. Rocky's truck and trailer repair. We on your ass.